Okay, this is where we stopped. This is where we stopped the Elliott wave. I confirmed the Elliott wave that we are trading wave 3 and wave 5. This is the wave 5. This is wave 3, wave 5. So we go to the next. The next one, we check the corrective wave. The corrective wave now is when we go to wave 3 here, and then we go back to wave 4. Well, yeah. Sorry, I will have to do this and go this one, then maximize. So let me explain this like this. So this is the hanging. So we have something like this is a hammer, hanging man. So here confirms a downtrend. This is no, this is not a hammer. This is not a hammer. Hammer should be down here, but this is a hanging man. Confirms a reversal. A reversal at this point. We have the piercing line. This piercing line, when it pierces the trend line, it will bounce up. This is the hammer. Hammer is here. It will show an upward movement. So we trade wave 3. This one, all of this one. This is wave 3. This is wave 4, and then we trade again wave 5. So when we see hanging man or dark cloud, we close our trade. We know that there might be change of the trend, okay, or change of the pattern. So this is the corrective wave is wave 4. So we trade again. So we have first wave, corrective wave, wave 2, then wave 3, we trade the wave 3, we have the corrective wave 4, then we trade again wave 5 when we see something like a piercing line or a hammer. Okay, so that is the forex that we are done with the candlesticks. Then we have combined candlesticks with some patterns that we have covered before. So this one is a very interesting thing that I have done. I think I have not done that. So I will take you through this 5 trading rule. Number 1, wait for the season's close to confirm. What does this mean? This means that you wait for the session's close to confirm. What is session? There is the London session. There is that. So wait for the sessions close to confirm. Another thing that means session is your strategy to confirm. If it's three soldiers, wait for the 3 soldiers. You see, if it is 3 soldiers, wait for the 3. If you are waiting for a hammer, wait for a hammer, then you wait for that an upward candle. That candle goes up. Do not use candle in oscillation. So in isolation, sorry. So this one means that you do not ignore other patterns. Then you just try to fix your candlesticks somewhere. No, that should not. You should not isolate your candles. You do not ignore other candles and use a specific candle because you want to confirm your mind. You want to convince your mind that that is a hammer, that is a donkey, when the donkey is not followed by another one. Now you see, always consider risk reward ratios before you placing a trade. Risk reward ratio, we say 1:3. You lose $1, you gain $3. So if your trade goes to loss, if you had put a $1 loss, so reward, if it goes to profit, you will get $3. Even if you get that percent, you will still be in profit. Cardon do not offer price targets. You see? So check the movement, check the waves, not the candle. Remember importance of stops. Stop your trade. If you fail to use the stops, my friend, the trade can run against you for 2 years. The trade can go, we say that the trade goes upward forever. The trade goes downwards forever. Until you see it going up. So that is it. We are done with the candlesticks. Now we focus on other things. I think we will get back to MT4. I show you 1, 2, 3 things. Thank you for this. It was an interesting session. I was also new to the notes that I was taking you through, and these are things that are there, things that I meet in the market each and every day. So everything in Forex is also online, but as again, you need the knowledge to interpret what is online. Because if I send you something like this, for those who request it for notes, and I fail to explain to you, you will not understand these things. You may understand, but it will take a while. It will take several reading. You will have to read that thing severally for you to understand. So make sure that you also have a mentor who can explain this to you. But I'm here as the mentor of all, mentor of Africa Forex traders, mentor of everyone. Okay.